Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Tesla brake rotor wear faster than expected and the potential problems that have been documented based on verified information. In certain Tesla vehicles, brake rotors may show surface corrosion, uneven wear, or require service sooner than some drivers expect. This can present as vibration during braking, noise, or reduced smoothness at low speeds. Propulsion, steering, and primary braking capability remain operational, but brake feel and long-term component condition can be affected. This behavior does not affect all vehicles and varies by model year, driving patterns, and environmental conditions rather than indicating a universal brake system defect. Verified information shows that one documented factor involves regenerative braking behavior. Tesla vehicles rely heavily on regenerative braking to slow the vehicle and recover energy. As a result, friction brakes are used less frequently, especially during gentle driving. Reduced regular use can allow moisture and surface corrosion to build up on brake rotors, which may accelerate uneven wear over time. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year mileage, climate exposure, and driving style, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Environmental exposure has also been reviewed. Vehicles operated in humid regions, coastal areas, or locations where roads are treated with salt may experience faster rotor corrosion. As a possible contributing factor, corrosion buildup can lead to pitting or uneven rotor surfaces in some vehicles, but this is treated as a possibility rather than a confirmed cause in every case. Brake usage patterns are another documented consideration. Short trips, infrequent hard braking, or long periods of vehicle storage can prevent the brake rotors from being regularly cleaned by pad contact. This can allow corrosion or glazing to persist and progress. Brake system calibration and pad material behavior further influence wear characteristics. Brake pads and rotors are designed to work together, and certain pad compounds may interact differently with rotors under low-use conditions, potentially affecting wear patterns. Corrective actions described in verified information typically include periodic firm braking when safe to do so to clean rotor surfaces, regular brake inspections especially in corrosive environments, and monitoring for vibration or noise. If uneven wear or significant corrosion is present, service inspection is recommended to evaluate rotor condition and braking components. Reviewed information indicates that faster than expected brake rotor wear is not universal and often relates to regenerative braking dominance, environmental exposure, and usage patterns rather than a failure of the braking system. In conclusion, Tesla brake rotor wear faster than expected is generally linked to reduced friction brake use due to regenerative braking, environmental corrosion factors, and driving habits rather than a defect affecting braking safety. The issue varies by vehicle usage and conditions, and proper inspection is required to determine appropriate maintenance. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.